Hi, Oliver Lepke here. Today I want to record a short video for those people who are not interested to do home presentation or home parties and still want to succeed in network marketing. They love their products, they enjoy the products, products are awesome, but they don't like to do a home product presentation, and I totally get that part. I've done many product presentation, but it's not one of my favorite things. However, I still do it. So for those people who don't want to do a product presentation and you do want to find a way to put these products into other people's hands to try them, because that's the best way for people to see how great these products are. So if you're interested in that, then you basically put a set of products, and it works the best with a personal set of products. So you select the best products from your company, you select them and you put them in a box, and you put a catalog together, and you would put a price list, an explanation of these products, and maybe with a set of samples. You put it together in a package or in a box, and you use it as a demo kit or a demo set, or sometimes you call it PUPP or experience pack. So in essence, it is a set of products that you would like to give to somebody to try and give you their experience or give you their opinion about these products. And if they like it, that's great. And if they don't like it, no big deal, totally fine. As you go through this process and you're sort of talking to these people and you're talking and introducing these products, you explain them a little bit, you have a so much bigger chance to sell a product and have and find customers. Because the best way to find customers it is to put these products into their hands so that they can smell it, try it, feel it, and then that's how they will consider to use these products. And we have found so many customers that are using our products that way, and they became our loyal customers, because not many people will be interested in business, but there are many people who would love to use these products, but they maybe don't know how good they are. So try it and use it, and I would like to hear your experience. Have you tried it? Have you used it? And so on. I know when I tried it, wasn't that great, but then when I become better in doing this, then we started to have so many more sales. If you want to learn this technique, if you want to sort of learn more how this works exactly, with some examples, with some samples, with all the details, go to a website called pupp.ca. That's PUPP.ca. There's no selling on this website. There's no recruiting on this website. On this website, you will find 1 or 2 videos that explain this process, and then you can learn the method and apply it to your business as well. Thanks for stopping by today, and have an awesome day. Bye-bye.